in Quebec, we have way more better access to medicines than the rest of Canada. So in these terms, Quebec really is a model. In terms of equity of funding, there is a lot of problems because private drug insurance is mandatory when available for a worker, for example. But many workers find themselves, well, precarious workers find themselves in having to contribute to a private regime, and they need to give a disproportionate part of their income to these private regimes. So there's a problem of equity. But in terms of costs, Quebec is doing an absolutely awful job in terms of containing cost. So, something interesting is private insurers are usually external insurers that are being paid only as a proportion of spending. So in terms of the financial incentives, they have absolutely no incentive to reduce growing costs. And another dimension, it's why we have a yearly growth of cost that is unsustainable, is that Quebec is always using the price of drugs as an innovation policy to promote or attract R&D investment in the province. But the thing is, if you artificially inflate the price of your drugs to attract R&D investment, well, don't be surprised if your system becomes unsustainable. I mean, I'm in favor of innovation policy. I just don't think it should be for the health budget to be paying to develop an industrial sector.